Today, I'll share with you how to permanently delete your Telegram account. Open the Telegram app and go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Delete My Account section and tap on If Away for, choose a time frame. If you want to delete your Telegram account immediately, you have to delete it manually. Open a web browser on your phone and go to my.telegram.org/deactivate. Input the phone number associated with your Telegram account, including your country code. A confirmation code will be sent to you via a message within the Telegram app on one of your devices, not as a regular SMS. Go back to the deactivation page in your browser and enter the code you received. Click Delete My Account, then confirm your decision by clicking Yes, Delete My Account. Deleting your account is irreversible. You will lose all your chats, contacts, and media. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.